Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel vstrom Imran. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do ceramic coating at home by yourself. I am going to show you step by step process what I follow. I have been applying ceramic coating by myself for past almost 7-8 months onto my bike, and application steps are very important. So I am going to show you how you can apply the ceramic coating that you have bought, which ceramic coating is best in the market, and what is the outcome of ceramic coating. So to quickly start the video, we need these few things to do the ceramic coating. So these are the 4 things that will require. One, this is a buffing cloth that I used after applying ceramic coating. We use this to buff. This is another cloth from Shinex Pro. This I use to wipe down the dust that are on the bike. This is the ceramic coating, and this is just a handy microfiber cloth that we can use to do some other stuff. So I am using this ceramic coating, which is from Super Ceramic Coating. This I bought for, I guess, 1500 odd rupees, and this I have been using for past 3-4 months, and this is the best that I have found till now. I've also used ceramic coating from Shinex Pro, but I have found that this one from Super Ceramic Coating is the better one. So this is the bottle that they provide. You can easily use this for almost 8 to 10 times on one bike. So I've already washed my bike with this Shinex Pro foam sprayer and Shinex Pro shampoo. This is an amazing product. I'll review it in another video. So you need to compulsorily wash your bike. You cannot apply ceramic coating on a dusty vehicle. So as you can see here, I am wiping my bike with a microfiber cloth. This is to remove any dust particle that is there on my bike. So I had washed my bike a day ago, so that's why I'm just wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. It is very important to use microfiber cloth because it does not give any scratch on your bike. That's why I've been using this Shinex Pro microfiber cloth, which is very good in absorbing any dust or any liquid that is present on the bike. So while I am just wiping the bike, I'll tell you what are the benefits of applying ceramic coating. So ceramic coating is an invisible layer that will be there between the outside world and your bike. So it will help your bike maintenance on a daily basis. So basically it will make your bike hydrophobic kind of thing. So any dust particle, any water that will accumulate on your bike, you will be able to easily clean it off with a cloth, and it will help you to maintain your bike on a daily basis. So if you are the one who takes care of your bike and like to wash it, or like it to be clean, so ceramic coating is definitely for you. I will show you what the results will be of the ceramic coating. So there are multiple uses of ceramic coating. You can apply it on fiber, you can apply it on metal or hard plastic or even glass. It will leave a shine, and you'll be able to easily clean it and maintain it after applying ceramic coating. So to start with the actual ceramic coating process, you'll get a sponge and a cloth with the kit itself. You need to wrap around the cloth onto the sponge, and this is the bottle, and you need to pour few drops of the liquid onto the spongy side itself. As you can see, the cloth is all wet right now, and then you need to directly apply it onto your bike in a straight going motion, in a linear motion. As you can see, I am applying it from top to down, and you don't need to apply it over and over again. Just if you are able to see any spot that you haven't applied, you can apply it over there. So as you can see now, you can see the ceramic coating liquid on the bike itself. It is better to do panel by panel and not on the entire bike, but it is totally up to you if however you want to do. So as you can see, after some time the ceramic coating has dried up, so you'll need to wait at 2 to 3 minutes or more. After your ceramic coating has dried up, you need to have this buffing cloth that this is provided by the ceramic coating company itself. So you need to buff it. Buffing basically means rubbing it rigorously. So as you can see, uh, after applying the ceramic coating, the shine has increased, and it's not visible totally to on the camera, but to naked eyes the shine has totally increased, as you can see in this video as well. So similarly, you need to do the same process on every panel. So panel basically means one part of the bike. So as you can see now, I am applying it on the other side of the bike, the same panel but other side of the bike. So you can go panel by panel. That will be easier for you to keep a track where you have applied and where you have not. Please note, it is not necessary that one dab of ceramic coating is enough. It is up to you. However, how much ever you want, you can just put it on the sponge and reapply it. That is not an issue. So you can add multiple layers as well. When the ceramic coating dries up, you can add multiple layers before buffing. So this will provide even better protection. Here I am not applying any more layer. I'm just applying one layer, which is enough, and it will last for at least 2 months. As we are not using any professional equipment, 2 months are very good, in my opinion. I have been using many ceramic coatings, but I found this one to be the best. So as you can see, I am applying it on hard plastic as well. So it is totally up to you where you want to apply. Anywhere you can apply it. It is not an issue. Even on the mirrors you can use it. It will make it hydrophobic. And as you can see, I am going panel by panel, and buffing is very important. The more you buff, the better shine you'll get. So earlier I used to use a dashboard polish for these kind of parts, like mudguards and all. But slowly I understood that ceramic coating works well if you applied it on correctly. So as you can see, I am just applying it in a linear motion from up to down, and then wherever it is needed, I am going crisscross as well. So I put the results in the end, and you definitely need to watch till the end to look at the final results. So here is a time lapse of me doing the ceramic coat. So once you have followed all the process on the whole bike, your work is done. Ceramic coating is applied. You don't need to wait anymore. There's no waiting time. Once you have applied and buffed, your bike is ready. So here are the results. As you can see, I'm pouring water directly on my mudguard and it is repelling it. There's only few water droplets that are remaining on my mudguard. That too, are very easy to clean. As you can see, I'll be able to clean it with a cloth, and there you go. There's no water droplet left. It is very easy to clean.
Ryan Little.